We have a brand new signal that has just flashed, and I want to give you guys my exact trading setup. So it might be a little bit hard to see on this graph right here where it's playing out, but if we actually click this button, it's going to show us. So right here, vector bullish strong has come in literally within the last, couple of hours, right? So you can see it trigger right here. It's the market's going to be interesting to see how we go, and I want to give you an update on yesterday's trade. So I want to give you my exact trading setup. That was yesterday's video, so I'm coming in with all the receipts so you guys can check this out. It is fully transparent right here on this channel. And if you do actually enjoy this and you want to get these signals and these charts and things like that that are absolutely going extremely well right now, make sure to go check out the link in the description to Vector Pro, where you can get this populate live on your own charts. And in particular, it's great for trading Bitcoin. I'm finding right now. So Bitcoin in particular, it's going very well. Now, having said that, let's talk about it. So you can see right here, last few hours, vector bullish strong triggered. Wow. Interesting stuff right here. So you can see that come in. And yesterday, we actually spoke about different TP zones and exits out of trades. We hit all those TP zones. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but if you can't, just bring up the video on the channel. You can see on the hourlies, we were bearish, boom, boom, boom. And I told you I was going to exit out of that trade once we cross this line. And you can see all them getting hit. And just recently we flipped bullish. So very bullish in the short term. Nice little pump. We actually haven't hit any TPs just yet. But one TP we're looking at as an exact trading setup is this one right here. So $91,888. So if we hit that, I'll be taking profits on the trade. If this is a fake out, if this is just BS, I will be exiting out of the trade, $89,672. That is the exit out, but that will also move up if we continue to get bullish momentum in the short term. So some special things are happening with this trade. And we'll talk about some big evidence for this week as well. So stick around. We'll talk about what could also get triggered this week. But interesting to see this play out. So really big, strong pump. I think this is coming in from market makers. It's coming in from whales right now. And, in regards to any types of breaking catalysts, we honestly haven't had much at all. So it's all the same stuff we already know that is coming down the pipeline. And if you don't know what's coming down the pipeline, what is coming down the pipeline this week, the biggest one to have on the radar for a potential move into the Bitcoin price for our trades is going to be the 9th and 10th of December, which is tomorrow, and the next day, which is going to be potentially another Fed rate cut. So, maybe the market really pumps off that. We're going to see in the short term whether that plays out for our trades. But right now, we've actually flipped to bullish on the hourlies, which is looking very exciting. For the 4 hourlies, have we broken away from it? We haven't. So we're still in a bearish trend. So the upper trend for the hourly trades is still bearish. So this is obviously a factor we need to be aware of. But you can see the candles starting to trade, right? So you can see this, not trade, change. You can see them starts to change colors. So when it starts to go this and we start to see some potentially green candles come in, that's when the 4 hourlies will potentially flip to a bullish sign and we're back into long tradings in the short term. And if we have a look at the dailies, look, for us to go bullish on the dailies, we still have an absolute ton of work to get through right here. So we're going to have to get up to $97,000, which is obviously a huge amount. So the daily candles still have a ton of work to do. And look, the Fed rate decision next 48 hours is going to be the big one. Expectations are, they will drop it, right? So that's going to be the expectations. That's what the market is already pricing in right now. And we'll see how we go. Maybe we'll get a little pump out of this and we can ride these trades up higher, get some, TP zones right here. But of course, with trading, any type of trading, always have a risk management strategy in place. That's what I'm going to do. So if we don't get these breakouts, we don't hit these zones, I'll be exiting out of these trades. So that's exactly my trading setup right now. If you got value out of it, like the video. If you want to try these signals completely for free, check out the link in the description of this video. You can get a free trial right now. That is my understanding. So you can actually trial this if you really enjoy it, and you get this. You can get the breaking alpha to help you with your trades. Link will be in the description of this video. Personally, I'm using it mostly on Bitcoin. That's really what I'm focused in on right now. But in the future, look, we might test it on other ones. I'm not going to use it on low cap meme coins or anything like that. It's only kind of your big blue chip cryptos. That's what I'm trading. That's what I like. Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Bitcoin. That's what we're doing right here on the channel. But I hope you got value out of the video. I like to keep these videos short and concise. So that's it. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.